Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another small but mighty unboxing. This is the FALCAM F38 and PD camera quick connect. And what this is for, I'll show you here in a second. But we're going to unbox this. I should say unbag it. Ta-da! F35 and for PD capture version 3. And here is qualified, certified. Okie dokie. Now what this is going to do is, if you know the PD quick release, that should go in there. Click. Just like that. And of course, if you do it the other way, it's not going to work, because it's just a regular clamp, like this. Okay, you got it? So now, what we're going to do is we're going to swap this out, because this base only goes on this attachment because it has these little indents on the side, and these little rivets kind of stick out, and they're right in there, which is nice for this, but I can only use this base on this one. I can't use it on anything else because of these little rivets. That's where this is going to come in. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. Take off the protector, screw protector. Put that on the bottom. Come on. Try to get the threads lined up. There we go. Nice. Now, if everything worked well, it should fit on the base, which it does. And it should fit on the quick connect, which it does. It's a little loose, but it works. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and hopefully this will help you out as well in the future. And as always, have a great day.